completely different color. It's a different compound. It's orange. The first one was white, but it's going to give us the same effect. It's going to get us that sparkle. Potassium is responsible for that in our fireworks. Cupric sulfate. Anybody remember what the copper did again? What color?
Green.
Green. We get that here too. Completely different compound, but same effect because it has copper in it.
How do you get red?
How do we get red? You're about to see how we get red. Actually, that'll be the last thing you see. That's my absolute favorite. This is strontium. I don't need that one. Alright. If they try to get a very bright shine, generally, they're going to go for magnesium. Magnesium is not a transition metal, but it is going to give us effects that they will use in fireworks as well. Now we have to add more heat. I have to leave it there a little longer for you to actually see the effects. But it's going to give us some white sparks. And here we are.
Wow.
So clearly they do this on a larger scale. They use a lot more magnesium, but this is one of this small scale. We're going to show you compressed magnesium in a little while too in a little ribbon form. Last one we're showing you with this though is my absolute favorite. Yeah,
This is so trippy.
it's strontium chloride 6-hydrate. The strontium is what's giving this effect. It's the metal. And if placed under the flame, it goes from our white powder, white salt, to a bright red.
Tubular, man.
Oh, yeah, that's supposed to come next. And we can burn the residue on the table and get the same stuff.
That's so trippy.
Hey, where's that table coming from?
So if I were to, like leave it on the table, essentially it could, yes. Okay.
This is unfolded or folded. So, earlier we talked about a physical property of malleability. Now we're going to look at a chemical property, which is oxidation. If you remember, oxidation is when it rusts. So if we left this outside for a long time, it would eventually start to rust and you'd see that happen. You can speed up oxidation by applying heat. So we're going to speed it up and you can actually see that chemical property happen in front of you.
Whoa,
So we're
man.
oxidizing it very quickly. So this is, once again, one of those chemical properties that we learned about.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, if you want to burn yourself.
Go ahead.
Try to while staying behind the line.
You can speed that process up even more.
Can I do what? You can buy that at the store.
No, like some people they what's it called? Yeah, they use it for cleaning, but then some of them they like throw it away and then it get heated up.
Man, I hate this smell.
Magnesium. Oh, that's not good. That's hot.
And then a second ago, Mr. S told you that we had a concentrated form of magnesium right here. Pre-warning, I would not look directly at this because it's extremely bright. If you're staring at it, you're probably going to see those little bit of black dots.
How
So
about
this is
through
quite
our
bright.
phones?
Look at it from the side.
How about through our phones?
How about the phones?
If you look at going right.
If you look through your phone, it's not going to bother you too much. It's like when you look directly at it. It's not going to feel that good.
I'm gonna look at it.
Allah.
DJ be the man. I look right at it.
It would be funny if everybody just like put brightness in it.
Whoa, man.
It's very bright.
Whoa.
Is it really that bright?
So if you're staring at it,
Bro,
you
my
have some
phone can't
lovely
even
black
get this
spots in
brightness.
your eyes right now.
No, not really. Oh, whoa.
Did you get it now?
Oh, I got it.
No.
I
I just feel
It's not that bright.
It's not really
You guys
that
must have
bright.
not sensitive eyes then.
this. It's because we stare at phone screens
That
for
is
our whole
true.
life.
That is true. I've seen brighter things.
I just
But I ain't
get
gonna
those
get- I ain't
flashes
gonna
like
get
when
into
somebody randomly turns on the lights. That's what's happening to me right now. Like when somebody goes from dark lights to bright. That's
Oh
what
no,
it
that
feels like.
actually,